I have to say this, otherwise Żabka is the biggest attraction in Minsk, alright? And I look like I'm from Minsk because, look, it's not like I am from here. I mean, I am from here, but I look like from rubbish bin today. That's temporarily. Mark my words, I'm beautiful. And this is almond coffee with my baguette. Last days here. Wish me luck. Goodbye. Cheers. See you in Wrocław or in train. Pardon. Bye. Bye bye.
Hi.
Hi bye. That by her right now, I've never had. And I'm telling you, like, literally too much herbs, you know, and I will never do this mistake again. I will change my haircut routine because this one doesn't work for me. I'm not gonna lie to myself, it is terrible, and I have like my dry eye syndrome today. Listen, my goodness, it looks like cloud. I look like, but listen, it taught me something, that even if I would be bald, I will be pretty, and you have to accept yourself even without the hair. But I'm not gonna be bald, no whatsoever. And right now I'm in, so I will go to Wrocław. Jesus Christ, I'm so sleepy. Probably I will eat something in, and I will immediately go to bed. Maybe not immediately, I always say like this and then I fall asleep at like 5 a.m. But never mind, tomorrow I have a free day only for myself. I will buy some cosmetics and stuff like this. And the day after tomorrow I have a flight at night. At 11 p.m. I have my airplane the day after tomorrow, and I'm coming back to Ireland. Au revoir. Look at my things. OMG. Okay, mission complete. I'm in my favorite apartments here in Wrocław. Look, you can see me how I'm recording myself. Just today, and guess what? I do not want to record myself anymore in this kind of situation I was today forced to, right? So this looks like it. Okay, I'll just turn on the lights. Oops, I did it again with a freak. Fixed. Bye. Oh my god, looks so big. Alright, bye. Hatte. No, you don't want to see me like that. I took a shower and I basically washed my face with water. Proper skincare I will do after my eating. I've ordered spring rolls and sashimi. Yeah. And sashimi is over there. Can you see my sashimi? Probably not, but never mind. Good night. My choice is always big coffee in the morning on oat milk, vanilla, no sugar. with double shot espresso. And it's still sweet. And it's still sweet. Alright, so time to do the skincare and eating my breakfast, right? This is vegan chicken made out of beans. Alright. I mean, not chicken, this is sandwich, but this is vegan chicken-ish. Jesus Christ, this is vegan chicken made out of beans. Like, I love fake chicken, you know. Pardon. And I have a surprise. Whoever are you, thank you. Appreciate ya. After meeting my friend, good night. Look, I think I fixed my problem. This hair is totally different, and it's in a very good condition. Alright, this maybe is broken, but this is still like okay. And can you see? It's good. It's alright. Oh my god, I cannot believe it. This is insane what just happened with my hair. And yeah, I finally found my project. So thank you for joining my TED Talk, my journey with my freaking hair from the beginning till the end. And I'm gonna keep it up like that. Living.
Zadymienie.
At 8:10 is my flight. I can drop off the baggage. I already paid my penalty for having too many kilograms, but never mind. It's okay. Finally, after a nightmare update, I just went through the security. All good. Now all the amazing, pleasant stuff like duty free and chocolate. I like chocolate from duty free especially. It's a relaxed food princess. My gate is 11. It's there. So I'm going to see everything, what's going on and what's not, and whatsoever, and blah blah. So goodbye. My flight is delayed 2 hours, so I'm going to sleep. Goodbye. Jesus freaking. Look, this bed couldn't be bigger. The plus is that this is the water, and on the other side is also the water, and I didn't buy the water, you know. So this is very beautiful hotel room, you know, very beautiful, but like from the bin, straight from the rubbish bin, like someone would chew me or would split me. Oh my god. Do you know? The stealing is preparing itself, because I am a thief and I steal those things, so I will steal it for sure. Oh my god, I'm gonna steal it. I'm gonna steal it. Listen, I'm from Poland, I'm stealing things. So, here is the mirror. And the shower is big. I can say the shower is big. And here is the night for 2,000 zlotys. If you might ask me. I didn't pay for it. My company paid, alright? So, Jesus, I look like, oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so right now the time is counting, so I will go to sleep as fast as possible. Goodbye. It's 3 a.m. Queen has the same clothes for 4th day. I have the same damn clothes for 3 damn days. Linking Nebraska. Not a good day for singing. Going for breakfast. Waiting for the taxi! Jesus freaking Christ.